Life on a microscopic scale begins with massive precision. Nothing enters without control.
Even microbes require nourishment.
Scale begins with logistics. Clean environments protect living cultures. Precision begins long before growth.
Exposure is never allowed.
Water becomes the foundation of life. Purity must be constant. Nutrients are prepared at scale. Consistency is essential for life. Cleanliness determines survival. Nothing grows without preparation. The living strains wait.
Only verified hands proceed.
Trillions begin from almost nothing. Where life multiplies. The growth journey begins.
Thor's transcription. Scale defines modern biology. Even living systems require engineering.
Nothing moves without protection. Exposure is never allowed. The smallest cargo carries the greatest potential. Transcription. Every level serves a purpose. Pathways are carefully chosen. Automation protects life. Nothing is seen. Everything is contained. Movement sustains uniformity. Life depends on balance. Purity remains uncompromised. Conditions are carefully maintained. The system listens constantly.
Data guides every decision.
Progress is measured quietly. Trillions multiply unseen.
Now life begins to expand.
Growth begins quietly. Balance surrounds life. Support systems operate silently.
Consistency sustains expansion.
Nothing is left unseen.
Motion creates uniform life. Stability is preserved. Nothing leaves uncontrolled.
The culture speaks in signals.
Growth is observed, not guessed.
Human vigilance remains.
Time becomes part of the process.
Replication ensures scale. Reliability is never optional. Verification stays contained.
Trillions now exist.
Transcription. The cultures are ready to move on. Growth gives way to collection. The cultures begin their next journey.
Nothing is ever exposed.
Separation replaces growth.
Motion becomes precision. Control defines outcome. Material finds its direction. The living core gathers. Nothing is wasted. Refinement continues. Stability protects life. Density replaces dilution. Conditioning preserves vitality.
Direction is deliberate.
The process advances. Trillions now condensed. Survival now becomes the focus. Preparation for the outside world begins. Growth alone is not enough. Life must now be protected. Transcription. Preservation replaces multiplication. The environment is carefully altered. Water must gently leave.
Only balance is allowed.
Form begins to change.
Trillions become measurable. Exposure is never permitted.
Stability requires support. Consistency ensures survival. Protection continues.
Nevertheless, slip and stemter aligned, but that's for jug seed.
A shield forms around life. Now prepared for storage. Time slows here. Life waits safely. The cultures endure. Now they prepare to meet the world. Cleanliness becomes absolute. Every human becomes part of the system.
Here, precision replaces touch.
Structure comes before content.
Protection remains uninterrupted.
Thousands move as one. Eyes faster than thought. Nothing escapes.
Purity is verified.
Accuracy without assumption. Consistency defines trust.
Protection continues after packaging.
Closure completes containment.
Trust is visible.
Protection sealed in layers.
Trillions now organized.
Identity comes next.
Identity is as important as purity.
Every unit must be recognized. Precision leaves no margin. Information travels with protection. Time leaves its signature. Machines confirm what humans cannot see.
Every package becomes unique. Traceability becomes permanent. Authenticity is protected.
Integrity is verified.
Perfection allows no exceptions. Records outlive production. Standards are not optional.
Verification repeats itself. Clear to continue.
Identity locked forever.
Billions marked without error. Now the cultures prepare to travel. Organization begins at scale. Form follows precision. Movement becomes order.
Speed without touch.
Information travels with care. Protection takes shape. Consistency confirmed.
Traceability never stops.
Small units become shipments.
Accuracy multiplies. Contained for travel.
Every box tells a story.
Flow accelerates.
Repetition becomes mastery. Stability matters. Protection for the journey.
Trillions organized into motion.
One final verification remains.
Before release, certainty is required. Nothing moves unchecked.
Eyes that never tire.
Protection must remain intact.
Verification repeats itself. Time becomes part of testing. Conditions remain constant.
Consistency is the signal.
protection through separation.
Every step is recorded.
From culture to carton.
Standards define trust.
Responsibility carries weight.
The batch is cleared.
From control to motion.
Distribution begins.
Ready for the world.
The journey nears completion.
Production ends only when delivery begins.
Trillions of living cultures secured.
Movement resumes.
Scale meets coordination. Every shipment has its moment. The outside world returns.
Life must travel protected.
Precision continues to the end. Stability protects life.
Every journey is visible.
Distribution begins.
From one facility to many lives. Modern health moves worldwide. Prepared, protected, alive.
And this is how modern factories produce probiotics from start to finish.
Invisible work. Massive impact.
Life multiplied with care.
Until the next process.